Hi landlords, and welcome back to our FAQ Friday. If you're new here, my name is Michaela. I post all things property management every Wednesday and every Friday. So today's question is actually going to still stem as we close out our August theme of applications, and that's going to be, should I accept a credit report from my applicant? So an applicant applies for your property and they say, oh, here, I'm just going to provide you with my own credit report from, let's just say from Credit Karma. The quick answer would be yes. Anytime a tenant is giving you documentation, always keep it for your records because it is data. But however, I would not use the credit report that your applicant gives you. I would still run my own. Because if Bob Joe gave you their credit report, supposedly, and it was on Credit Karma, and they have a 730 credit score, but then you run their actual report and it shows that they have a 575, you're going to be like, whoa, what's the difference? Now, if you just took the tenant's word and you just only accepted their Credit Karma report, and now you're at somebody who has a bad credit score, who didn't even meet the credit requirement, they could possibly have things on their credit report that dinged their, well, they obviously have stuff on their credit report that dinged their credit to go so low, but is that because they're past due on previous rents? Is that because they have evictions on their record? What is it for? In short, yes, you do always want to accept any type of documentation that an applicant is giving you because it is more data for you to use. However, don't actually use that report. Go ahead and run your own because you always want to make sure that you're putting the right quality tenant in your property that meets your requirements. Remember to always, 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 and I'm going to stress this all the time, remain completely objective. So credit is something that you can deny somebody for as long as you have a consistent and written screening criteria. Well, landlords, thank you again so much for tuning in to today's FAQ Friday. If you're new here, I would actually really love for you to go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss on anything property management. All right, landlords, my name is Michaela, providing you with a higher standard in property management. Bye, landlords.